Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from BLK. We want to present about solar power generated house appliance. So, for introduction, what is solar panel? Solar panel is a device that converts sunlight into electrical energy by using photovoltaic, which is PV cell. So, as you can see, from sunlight, then we go to solar panel and then inverter. And after that, we can use it for household appliance or maybe network meter. Equipment that we use is solar panel, diode, LED, capacitor, resistor and juga voltage regulator. So for simulation, boleh start?
Boleh start.
Yeah. So for simulation, how to know if the battery is full charge? Can check by disconnection a voltmeter in parallel to the battery. A reading of at least 12.6 volt on the voltmeter indicates that battery full charge and safe to use.
The second is function capacitor in this circuit. Capacitor is an electronic component that is used for storing and releasing electricity in a circuit. We need to give some electricity to LEDs so that they can turn themselves on, indicating that the circuit is working. The function of capacitor here in this project is that the solar panel is providing constant current to the circuit due to which the LEDs are on when we run the simulation. The solar panel is acting as a current limiter and the capacitors protect the circuit from static discharge when the circuit is off. In short, capacitors are used to store the electricity produced by the solar panel when we remove the charging. After discharging, we use this electricity that is stored by the capacitor for daily usage.
When the solar panel produces direct or DC current, meaning the solar electricity generated by the photovoltaic panel flow is only one direction only. So in order to change the battery, a solar panel must be at a higher voltage than the battery being charged.
So for our circuit, we use LM3170. So what is LM3170 is a voltage regulator that is used with a resistor and LEDs to regulate the current in the circuit. As the voltage regulator can produce the voltage of about 1.25 to 30 volts approximately and the current of max 1.5 ampere. So it protects the solar panel from reverse voltage that is generated by 9 volt battery when it is not charging.
So how to protect a battery from overcharging? That's why we use LM3170 as a voltage regulator used for protecting the battery from overcharging. That's all from our simulation.
So for our prototype presentation, we are using 12 volt 7Ah battery, 30 amp solar controller and 10 watt of solar panel.
Firstly, we assemble our equipment by connection the solar panel and the battery with the solar controller.
After assembling the prototype been exposed to the sunlight for a couple of hours. It works by converting energy from the sun into solar power. For our prototype, the energy from the solar power will be stored in 12-volt 7Ah battery that were flat. After a couple of hours, we can see that the power slowly increase.
Hence, that shows that the solar panel has converted the sun energy into power. To verify that the prototype were functioning, we connecting the output source to cell phone. As a result, the phone will charge as by the solar power. It also shows that as the phone were charging, the power from the prototype decreases.